Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or any Samsung phone that has a black screen. So let's get started. The very first thing which you need to do is to make sure that your phone is charged. I would recommend charging in half an hour before trying these methods. Other thing is sometimes the cable can be bad, so you might be considering trying different charger and even the wall outlet together to rule out the charger is actually charging the phone. Now, other things you also wanted to make sure that there is no dust or lint. Sometimes they can block the charging. So you might think it's charging, but it's not. And additionally, if you have a wireless charger, you can also charge it through a wireless charger. There is a different methods to make sure that the phone can actually charge. Now, if you wanted to know the phone is charged, maybe it is say 100% but still not turning on, this is what you want to do. Basically, you are going to take the volume down button and this lock or the power button, and you are going to keep on holding both of them until you can get the Samsung logo to appear. Make sure that you are pressing both of them simultaneously at the same time. As you can see here, once you see that the logo appear, you let go. And once you see the Samsung logo, your phone is basically fixed. That black screen will be gone. You can get back into your phone. This method is safe. It will not delete any of your data. As you will notice here, I'm back on my phone. All my apps, data, everything is basically still on my phone. It's not deleted. So guys, that is how you can fix it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.